Welcome to Holistic Living. Today we're uncovering the secrets behind one of nature's most powerful superfoods, spinach. You've seen it in salads, smoothies, and even your favorite cartoon character's diet. Yes, Popeye was onto something. But what makes spinach such a game changer for your health? Stick around because we're about to dive into the science and the surprising benefits that will have you adding spinach to your plate every day. Spinach isn't just a leafy green, it's a nutrient powerhouse. Just 1 cup of raw spinach contains 7 calories, yes, just 7, over 56% of your daily vitamin A needs, 181% of your daily vitamin K requirements, and a healthy dose of iron, magnesium, calcium, and antioxidants. But how does this translate into real benefits for your body? Let's break it down. Bonus alert, as a special treat, check out the description below for our exclusive selection, the Lost SuperFoods ebook guide. This best-selling product will supercharge your wellness journey. Don't miss this amazing offer to explore nature's most powerful superfoods. First up, heart health. Did you know that spinach is rich in nitrates? These compounds help reduce blood pressure by improving the flexibility of your blood vessels. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that consuming spinach regularly can lower systolic blood pressure by up to 11 mmHg each. That's significant, especially for those looking to improve cardiovascular health naturally. Next, spinach is a friend to your immune system. Thanks to its high vitamin C content and antioxidants like beta-carotene, spinach helps your body fight off infections. In fact, research shows that a diet rich in leafy greens can improve immune response by 30%. So, the next time you feel a cold coming on, reach for a spinach smoothie. Now that we've got you excited about spinach, let's talk about the tastiest part, recipes. Here are 5 simple and delicious ways to include spinach in your daily meals. 1. Spinach pasta. Sauté spinach with garlic and olive oil, then toss it with your favorite pasta. Add Parmesan cheese for a creamy, healthy dish that's packed with flavor. 2. Spinach rice. Cook your rice with a handful of fresh spinach, onions, and a pinch of turmeric. It's a vibrant, nutrient-dense side dish that pairs well with any protein. 3. Spinach omelette. Whisk eggs with chopped spinach, onions, and a sprinkle of cheese for a quick and protein-packed breakfast. 4. Spinach soup. Blend sautéed spinach, onions, and vegetable stock for a comforting, creamy soup. Add a dollop of Greek yogurt for extra creaminess. 5. Spinach smoothie. Blend fresh spinach with bananas, almond milk, and a spoonful of peanut butter for a refreshing and energizing drink. See? Spinach isn't just healthy, it's versatile and delicious. If you want glowing skin and sharp vision, spinach should be your go-to. The lutein and zeaxanthin in spinach act like natural sunglasses, protecting your eyes from harmful UV rays and reducing the risk of macular degeneration by up to 40%, according to studies. And for your skin? Spinach's vitamin A promotes cell turnover, keeping your skin youthful and vibrant. Are you on a weight loss journey? Spinach is low in calories but high in fiber, making it a perfect choice for keeping you full without packing on the pounds. Plus, fiber aids digestion, keeping your gut happy and healthy. A study in Appetite Journal found that people who ate a spinach extract before meals reduced their cravings for sweets by 87%. Now that's a win-win. Before we wrap up, let's debunk a common myth. Spinach is bad for kidney stones. While it's true that spinach contains oxalates, moderation is key. For most people, a balanced diet that includes spinach won't increase your risk of kidney stones. Talk to your doctor if you have concerns. Spinach is more than just a salad topper. It's a superfood that can transform your health from the inside out. Whether it's boosting your immunity, strengthening your bones, or supporting your heart, spinach truly lives up to its superfood status. So why not start today? Add a handful of spinach to your next meal and feel the difference. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more ways to live your healthiest, happiest life. See you in the next video.